morning. Happy Wednesday, Thursday. Welcome back, my friends. I am Sarah, and this is SarPlans. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. This is SarPlans, and I am Sarah. I am so glad you are here with me today. We are going to be planning out Wednesday and Thursday in my Erin Condren Daily Duo. Now, I like the new setup that I have going on. If you aren't sure what I mean, go and hit some of my playlists and you'll see that I used to plan one day at a time. Now, I'm really enjoying doing the 2 days because it gives me the ability to kind of just bump things over and schedule out the days collectively, if you will. But it's working for me. I like filming it like this, and away we go. So the one thing that I love about the headers, not only do they bring so much to the page, it gives you a little bit to work with, but they're completely different. That's Monday, Tuesday, and that's Friday, Saturday. So this one's a little bit more peaceful. So if you can see here, there are some snowflakes. Can you see? There are light snowflakes in there, and it's a winter vibe, and I'm rolling with it. I have a couple washi tapes here that I'm going to use for these 2 days, and I have a bunch of great stickers that I pulled for the month of January, and we're gonna rock and roll. So I love to just get some of this bulk in there first so that I know where I can and cannot put my stickers. So let's do it. Okay, that's cool. Let's get the other stickers that I want to use in, and we good. That's looking nice. That's looking mighty, mighty fine. One more thing. Okay, so let's get some pen up in here. A little shout out to my girl at Pixie Dust Planner. She knows about the smoke blue. It didn't even occur to me. It wasn't even a question of what blue I was gonna pull. I yeeted this one and immediately was like, she needs a shout out. We both know that this blue is the one. This is it. This is everything. I don't care what I don't care what colors are on this page. Somehow, some way, I can manage to get this smoke blue in. It's to the point where I need to get a new smoke blue and gray because I have used and abused these suckers. I don't know. It's just the way I be. It's just the way I am. I don't know. All right. So let's throw some pen down real quick. All right, I think it's good. I think it's really, really good. I'm loving these, so I want to drop as many in as I can. There's nothing there. Can I get all of these in here? Perfect. All right, so I know that was a little overkill. I definitely put a ton of stickers in there. I just wanted to use that sheet. I'm tired of having all these stickers, guys. So what do we gotta say? I think it looks really cool. Nice, shiny, wintry. Definitely plays off the top there. And we got it all in. Everything that I need to do is in there. And I think we are looking good. We are cooking with gas. There we go. Beautiful. Cleaning routine. You know, the one thing that I didn't drop in was bills. So here, this one. This is important. You know why? We're paying it off. So I'm pumped. I'm definitely pumped about that. Okay, so that's good. I don't think there are any bills due this day, but that's cool. We have a wellness. Why am I writing that every time? Because I'm making sure that I'm staying on track with the goals so they align with my life. I want to be debt-free and I want to be comfortable in my own skin. Yes, those are things I can do when it is cold as hell, and I can't really do too much crazy nonsense like the family trips that I want to plan and so on and so forth. So yeah, I have big dreams of getting the hell out of this house, and right now it's just not in the cards because A, my budget doesn't allow it, and B, COVID and winter. So yeah, but I got big dreams, my friends. So I know it looks like a lot, but I like it like this. I like that it looks like a work of art. I am a very creative person, so having this outlet is a lot of fun for me. Now, let's keep in mind, I am literally trying to use up all the stickers that I have. I have way too many, and I'm tired of it. So, yeah. Now, doing the 2 days at once gives me the ability to bump anything over, see the next 2 days at a glance. Love it. Absolutely love it. Let's just pop back and see in our calendar if I'm missing anything. Nope. I didn't put payday in here though. So let's see, do we have one? I do. Those mini scripts to the rescue. There we go, payday. Beautiful. All right, anything else fun? I don't think so. I can drop a coffee now up in there, but guys. Oh, we are finished. I hope you enjoyed this second installment of the second volume, whatever. I just hope you enjoyed this. I truly do. If you're not a subscriber, you gotta get down there and subscribe. I'm working towards my 1,000 and it's important to me. It is on my goals and I want to be able to check that off sooner than later. So get down there, leave me a comment, leave me your favorite winter emoji. I think I've done that one already, but I mean, it is so very fitting for right here. And I want you to have an excellent day. All right? Make good choices. Be good people. Peace.